Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change permissions of users and admins in Joomla. So for example, if you want to do it, you need to log into your administration panel, and after that you need to go to system settings. Then we will see here a lot of really useful options, but of course we are interested in about the user permissions. So we need to go to settings here, and then you can find here different roles in your website. We have your guide, manager, administrator, registered people, author, editor, publisher, or super users. So for example, I would like to change permissions for the first one role, so I click on it, and here you have different actions and different settings. For example, if you would like to allow site login for the guide, you need to change this option to allowed, then this action will be allowed. But if you change your mind and you don't want to allow this action, you need to click on this one option one more time, and this time we need to select here delete. It will be not allowed. And the last option, of course, is inherited. If you will select this option, it will be show here. Of course, in this way you can edit another actions on your website. And you can change permissions, for example, for administrator, manager, or other roles. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.